In my last Knife Skills video featuring these Knife Saga knives, I featured the largest one in the batch, and that's the chef's knife. Now I'm going to go to the exact opposite extreme to the smallest knife, and that's the paring knife. It's for small jobs. What it is really good for is trimming. And to properly prepare this, we want to get rid of these little spiny pieces. You see these? Okay, it's so easy with a paring knife. And you're really just going to hold it like this, put your thumb right here, and just slide it onto the asparagus and pull these off just gently. You don't want to cut the asparagus, and that's why we're using a small tool here. And it's good that this is sharp because it pulls them right off. And it's really a simple process. I think it's kind of relaxing. So a good sharp paring knife will get your asparagus ready to cook in no time. Now, some other good uses for a paring knife are preparing radish roses and cutting very small vegetables. This is great for these small tasks where you're just kind of trimming things, and it just does the job so perfectly. So paring knife for preparing asparagus, cutting radishes, and some other small tasks where you need a small point or a small tool.